Good day. My name is Ferdan Devinida. Our topic today is geometric function. This is my problem. 7 is to the 7 o'clock at go to the school and 11 is out to the school. So the given is triangle A at ABC, right angle at point C, angle at A is 45 degree, base AC is 11, vertical CB is 7, slanted side AB is the hypotenuse. So find the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse. Square root of 11 is 121. And square root of 7 is 49. 121 plus 49 is equal square root 170. This is the hypotenuse. Yes. So go to the formula. Oval set is 7. Adjacent is 11. Hypotenuse is square root 170. So go to the cos, tangent, and sin. So the sin of the formula is sec square hypotenuse edge and the cos is legend opposite and then tangent is square root 170 over 11. Sin square root 170 over 11 and the C is 7 over square root 170. And the cos equal 11 square root of 170 and the 6 equal square root 70 over 11 tangent equal 7 over 11 and the cot is 11 over 7. 11 over 7. So the final answer is 6 equal square root 170 over 11. Final answer. So this is the final answer because this is the square root of 11 is 121 and the square root of 7 is 49. You can add this the 121 plus 1 plus 49 is equal 170. That's the hypotenuse. And the opposite is 7. This is the opposite. And this is the adjacent 11. And the hypotenuse this is 70. So go to the secant. Secant is hypotenuse, adjacent, cos, adjacent, opposite, and tan square root 170 over 11. This is the root. Sen square root of 170 over 7. C is 7 over 170. You can to rotate this 7 and 170 and the cos 11 and square root 170 square root 170 over 11. Same the set and cos and the tan is 11 7 over 11 and that got 11 over 7. So the final answer is square root 170 over 11. That's the final answer.